Engineering management has been a good subject to choose because it combines the hard principles of engineering with the management aspect that's required in industry. It covers all aspects from shop floor to the boardroom.
I think engineering management gives us a really good understanding of how a company actually works. We get to see how a product is made, from the logistics to the marketing.
The teaching is very industry focused throughout the course. Modules like organizational strategy really look into how real world dynamics affect different organizations across the engineering sector, looking into how changing dynamics affect a different organization's strategy in releasing a product. As well as this, professional engineers provide guest lectures across different modules, really help ground the engineering work that we're doing and the management principles that we're learning into real world engineering practice.
We get to learn so many technical skills of engineering. For example, we get to learn programming, simulating, designing, building. Aside to that, we also get to learn how to work with diverse teams and manage them, and all those leadership skills and communication skills, and just all blends together. And I think it's the best of both worlds. One of my favorite moments was getting to build an air engine. We used the lathe machine, we used the milling machine, and the end result was so nice as well. And I also led my team, so it was especially rewarding in that sense.
The teaching staff have been incredible. Whether it's lectures or assistance with individual projects that you're working on, the lecturers always have time for any work that you present to them.
I'm currently the event manager for the Digital Technologies Network, and some of the activities that we do are hosting hackathons, Blender workshops, and so many other different events. Getting involved in so many different activities, I think I've changed so much in a good way. I've had a really positive experience being an international student here. There's so many other people like you here. Everyone will find a place to fit in here.
My placement year was at Bentley Motors working in digital manufacturing. I looked into how digital systems work in reality. This helped expand my already existing knowledge on Industry 4.0 and see how it's applied into real-life work environments.
This degree not only gives you the mindset of how to think like an engineer, but also how to think like a manager. And if you want to gain this knowledge, engineering management is the best degree to pick.